Unlock a world of effortless payments by linking your debit card to Google Pay today. First things first, grab your smartphone and open the Google Pay app if you don't have it. A quick search in your app store will get you sorted once it's open. Look for the Add Payment Method option, usually at the bottom or within a menu. Tap that, and you'll see an option to add credit or debit card. Go ahead and select that now. You have two choices. You can either manually enter your card details, like the card number, expiry date, and CVV, or for a super quick and accurate setup, you can simply point your phone camera at your physical debit card, and Google Pay will scan and fill in the information for you. After entering or scanning your card, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. Google Pay will then verify your card, which usually involves a small verification step. This might be a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number or an extra security check directly by your bank. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this. With your card added and verified, you're ready to make payments. For in-store purchases, just unlock your phone, open the Google Pay app, and hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal. Ensure your phone's NFC is turned on. You'll see a confirmation on your phone, and you're good to go. Using Google Pay for online purchases is just as simple. When you're at checkout on a website or app that supports Google Pay, you'll see the option to pay with Google Pay. Just select it. Confirm your payment with your fingerprint or PIN if needed, and your transaction is complete without needing to type in your card details every time. Google Pay with your debit card makes your everyday spending faster, more convenient, and remarkably secure. Start using it today and experience the future of payments.